Greetings to all. Welcome to the official YouTube channel of SRN International School, Jagatpura, Jaipur. I am faculty of Sociology, and in this video I am going to explain the chapter Social Change in Rural and Urban Societies of Class 9 Sociology book based on NCERT syllabus. Now, what is social change? Change is the most permanent feature of any society. Social change can be defined as transformation in the methods of thinking and working of people. It is basically changes in social structure and social relationships of a society. At the most basic level, social change refers to changes that are significant and which alter the underlying structure of an object or situation over a period of time. Social change does not include any and all changes, but only big ones, changes which transform things fundamentally. Types of changes. Social change does not include any and all changes, but only big ones, changes which transform things fundamentally. Social change occurs due to physical, social, demographic, cultural, and technological factors. Population growth influences adversely on the usage of natural resources, which also causes social change. Nature, ecology, and the physical environment have always had a significant influence on the structure and shape of society. Technology also alters nature and relationships. It allows us to adapt to the problems posed by nature. For example, Japan, being mostly hilly and cold country, developed expertise in electrical and electronic gadgets. Industrial revolution has caused massive social changes in almost all the societies of the world. Use of gunpowder, paper, mode of transport, railways and aviation have brought tremendous social changes. The social changes due to technological factors are very fast and complex. So technology allows us to overcome on nature, thus reducing the differences between societies living in different sorts of environment. Technology also alters nature and our relationship to it in new ways. Political changes due to warfare between countries or kingdoms can usually create immediate consequence of social change. Political changes. Most societies can be divided into rural and urban sectors, and social changes occur differently in rural and urban societies. From a sociological point of view, villages emerged as part of the major changes in society's structure brought about by the transition from nomadic ways of life based on hunting, gathering food, and transient agriculture to a more settled form of life. Settled agriculture meant that wealth could be accumulated, and this also brought with it social differences. Rural societies are mostly agriculture based, and this lacks technology and specialization. People are more comfortable with traditional knowledge and members of their group instead of experts. Joint family system, caste system, superstitions, homogeneity and illiteracy are very common in rural societies. In such societies, social change is particularly very. Urban societies are mostly industrialized. There is differentiation and stratification not only on the basis of caste but also class. Heterogeneity in occupation is common. There are a variety of people and culture in a high density area. The association and relationship are secondary and time based. People of different caste, religions, and regions live together with more tolerance. Urban societies are slightly individualistic and characteristic segregation of groups and functions significantly. Cities are basically commercial hubs. In such urban societies, social changes are drastic and quick. As social change is inevitable, similarly, all societies need to have a network of social control. Class and caste structure in rural areas. They are interrelated. Upper caste were considered to be upper class, and the issue in rural areas is complex. Brahmins are the topmost caste but not necessarily the wealthiest. The Kshatriyas are upper caste as well as upper class. Dominant caste. After independence, land reforms introduced land ceiling. It set a limit of land holding by each individual. Large landowners sold away their land to medium landowners as they moved to urban areas to set up factories. Proprietary caste. Upper class, rich people, large and medium landowners control the resources and labor force in that particular areas. Beggar bonded laborers were illiterate and did not know how to do any skilled work. The zamindari system, in the zamindars collected the kind, that is rice, wheat, sugar, etc. as tax from the farmers of the village. For maximum exploitation of farmers, zamindars collected extra taxes. If the existing law is believed to be unjust, for example, a person may claim to be breaking it for the highest moral reasons. This is done deliberately and proudly. The question of violence relates to the broadest level to the basic definition of the state. Transport systems support complex economic and social interactions and are thus a component of society. Transportation reflects the aspirations of a society such as accessibility and mobility, which expands its horizon. With increased mobility, it has become common for parts of transportation networks to be used above design capacity, particularly in urban areas. Congestion is the outcome of such a situation with its associated cost, delay, and waste of energy. Distribution systems that rely upon on-time deliveries are particularly susceptible to congestion, as well as commuters seeking to arrive at work on time. In addition to involve additional cost, congestion involves additional time which is perceived to be increasingly valuable in advanced economies. Still, from societal standpoint, congestion is an ambiguous issue. First, congestion is commonly the outcome of economic success as level of mobility exceeds what was initially anticipated and designed for. Urban localities, usually upper class or affluent, sealed off from its surroundings by fences, walls and gates with controlled entry and exit. So to conclude, we can say the causes of social change are diverse and the processes of change can be identified as either short-term trends or long-term developments. Change can be either cyclic or one-directional. The mechanisms of social change can be varied and interconnected. Several mechanisms may be combined in one explanatory model of social change. For example, innovation by business might be stipulated by competition and by government regulations. So, children, if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.